Now, the journey with me in these bridges go way back. People don't know because we don't talk a lot of things. But I've known this man forever and ever. Not to mention his brethren. All come from the same country place. Mobby was there. So, I want you to go out and support the artists. Support local talents. Say one more. Anything. Do you want to hear the blues?